This is a follow-up to the Easter Golden Box Hunt. So, does GenGlow continue to perform, or is it lacking? If you want to know, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room, and Bandit's at home with my husband. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So for the Easter Golden Box Hunt, my box was the GenGlow box. It was not the winning box, but it was second, so I did pretty well this time. I usually do a 3-month subscription. Now, Chloe had gotten a snack box too, but my mom needed the actual physical box, so I took the snacks out and I put them in a Ziploc bag, and nobody seems to know where they went to. So, I don't know. We were going to do them both together, but at least I have the GenGlow box. It was on the expensive side, so I did go ahead and cancel it. There was nothing wrong with it. I just could not justify the cost for myself. I think it came out to somewhere after shipping to be in the $60 range, and to me that was just a bit more than I could do on a regular basis. It's a lovely box. It's themed up so nice. The candles, the soaps from my last ones, wonderful, amazing. This already smells wonderful. So I am sad to see it go, but I do need to save some money. So here is the theme. It says Spring into Happiness. Oh, guys, if you could smell this right now. There's some little stickers on the top. We have Tea Time, Grace Changes Everything, and Make Your Own Sunshine. Now, if I didn't get a bunch of different subscription boxes, this might be an investment for me. This might be something I would continue to get. So I do want to put that out there. There's nothing wrong with it. And the price, based upon what you're getting, isn't a bad price. It's just with all of the things that I get, it's just not an extra expense that I can swing right now. I might grab it from time to time, though. So you just have to stay tuned. Now, it appears that each month there is a piece of jewelry. This month's jewelry is gorgeous. So it is a 2-strand necklace, and it has this daisy in there in glass, and then it has a little bee, and so cute. So it does go out to one clasp, and there's a little, there we go, on there. So that is gorgeous. I love that. That is a $22 value. There's no name on there. I think it's just their own kind of, I don't know if it's their own brand. I really don't know about that, but anyway, there's no brand on there, but it is lovely. Next, by Gabrielle Union, is the Flawless Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment. And this is, I believe, hair. Let's see what it says. Yes, it's a hair oil. Its retail value is $9.99, so not a bad price. It hydrates dry, dull hair to replenish and protect against heat damage, infused with Indian neem oil and jojoba oil to seal in moisture and reduce frizz. I do use hair oil, even though I have very fine, thin hair. I use it right on my ends to kind of seal them, so I will definitely get use out of this. Next, by Jocelyn & Co. are some Raspberry Jam Petites, and these are not listed. Next, by Skin & Co. is the Truffle Therapy Ultra Pure Facial Oil. I love this brand. This is a great brand. It's out of Italy. It is cruelty-free. Now this is a $65 value right here. There's how it looks. It is like a body oil to give you a little shimmer shine. So pretty. Next, by Urbana, is a Buds and Blooms Shea Butter Soap. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, that smells so nice. This is an $8 value. It's a little special guest right there.
I like.
So this is enriched with shea and coconut butters, as well as almond oil to provide complete hydration for your skin. Next, this is a candle. This is by GenGlow. It's the honeysuckle and jasmine pure soy candle. So again, I don't know if they make these or if they purchase them and put their name on it, which is what a lot of companies do. It's really, really pretty. This is probably what she was smelling. That smells amazing. That's like fresh jasmine at night. Oh, and you can get the honeysuckle sweetness under there. It says scents may vary, so you might have gotten something different, and this is an $8 value. I would pay $8 for that in a heartbeat. So this little box says it's a gift from the gods. Okay, let's see what the gods are sending us. So it's a little trinket tray. It says Dream Odyssey. It's got a little gold foil. Super pretty. This is an $18 value, and it is glass. Next, also by Urbana, is the Buds and Bloom mini candle. Ooh, that smells nice. It almost has like a little, I mean, there's definitely floral scent, but it almost feels like there's like a little bit of a caramel scent in there. It says cedar, rose, lang lang, musk, and amber. So maybe one of those musky scents is giving me that caramel scent. And then the last thing in here by Awaken is a collagen mask. This is a $5 value. Okay, well that's what's inside my GenGlow box. I think it was a really nice box. I really enjoyed getting this box, and very sad to see it go. But again, maybe from time to time I'll pick up a box, or maybe the fine people at GenGlow are watching and want to see me open it every month. If that's the case, hey, I'm happy to. Let me know. But otherwise, I just can't afford another box right now. So I won't be getting it on a regular basis, but there'll probably be some here and there boxes. I'll check for spoilers, see which ones I just have to get. Okay, that's all I have for now. Let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.